From skyscrapers rising faster than ever, to homes built in just a matter of days, the construction world is undergoing a massive transformation. In this video, we're diving into the cutting-edge construction technologies that have reached a whole new level, changing the way we build, design, and live. Get ready to explore the future of construction. It may come as a surprise, but tough block plastic piers can serve as a full replacement for traditional concrete footings. Ideal for constructing patios, garden paths, or even pet shelters, tough block removes the hassle of digging and eliminates the need to mix and pour cement. Despite weighing only 0.7 kilograms each, these compact blocks can hold up to 770 kilograms. They are engineered to accommodate beams with cross-sections of 9 to 10 centimeters and sit 5 centimeters off the ground, offering both support and moisture resistance. Crafted from recycled materials, Tough Block is an environmentally conscious option and is affordably priced at $2.65 per unit. Using shipping containers in construction has become a growing trend in modern architecture. Their ease of installation, versatility, and relatively low cost make them ideal for multiple applications. Both 10-foot and 20-foot models are commonly converted into living spaces, retail stores, storage units, or office buildings. Made from sturdy steel, these containers are strong enough to support up to 28 tons. Interiors are highly customizable, allowing for the addition of plumbing, climate control, or large display windows. One notable example is in Warsaw, where over 130 containers have been repurposed, creating more than 2,000 square meters of functional space. Truly a glimpse into the architecture of tomorrow. Fatra step tiles, manufactured via precision injection molding, offer a flexible solution for outdoor and semi-outdoor spaces. Designed to snap together with specialized connectors, these 30 by 30 centimeter tiles are easy to install on any level surface. No tools needed. They are ideal for decks, porches, garden paths, pool surrounds, and camping grounds. Made from rugged polypropylene, they resist both UV exposure and fluctuating temperatures. Weighing just 3.5 kilograms each, they're easy to handle and simple to clean. Just sweep or hose them off. The system is practical, long-lasting, and low maintenance. A new bricklaying robot developed by Craftsmac Labs is now undergoing final trials. Built entirely in-house, this robot is tailored for the demands of modern construction. Its standout features include a highly mobile frame and a compact size that allows it to maneuver in tight spaces. It handles varying weights with ease and has an impressive load-to-body ratio, allowing it to carry out demanding tasks efficiently. One of its unexpected talents? Painting walls, a test it passed with flying colors. With this kind of technology, fully automated home construction might not be far off. Modern vineyards and orchards are turning to innovative concrete trellis posts that bend but never break. Designed to endure the strain of mechanical harvesting, these posts can even flex under the weight of a tractor without cracking. Measuring between 2 and 3 meters in length and up to 10 centimeters wide, they outperform wood or metal by lasting up to 10 times longer. Immune to pests and rust, they are built from a basic mixture of cement, sand, gravel, water, and air. Reinforced with steel rods, they remain stable in strong winds and heavy snow, while offering remarkable resilience. Firex FX 7002 is a high-performance, fire-resistant coating created to protect steel infrastructure in today's construction projects. This thin layer, solvent-based formula guards steel for up to 2 hours under extreme heat and is suitable for both visible and concealed elements. Easy to apply and resistant to mechanical damage, it meets all global safety and environmental standards with its low emission levels. Beyond fire resistance, it also acts as a shield against corrosion, extending the lifespan of buildings. Firex FX 7002 is already in use across a variety of structures, from stadiums and hospitals to airports, industrial plants, and commercial centers. Heat doesn't have to rise from the floor. Nuurbo radiant ceilings offer an alternative heating method that cuts energy bills by as much as 18%. The heating system uses pipes embedded in ceilings beneath a thermal layer, up to 7 centimeters thick. Within just 5 minutes of activation, the warmth spreads throughout the room. Constructed with clay plaster and softwood fiber, these panels also improve acoustic insulation. According to the developers, the system enhances indoor comfort and reduces stress. On warmer days, cold water can be run through the pipes to cool the space naturally, offering both heating and cooling in one install-friendly solution. TAMOS, Advanced Concrete Monitoring System, is revolutionizing construction timelines and budgets. By tracking temperature and curing progress in real time, this system speeds up foundation setting by up to 30%. It helps prevent cracks caused by thermal stress and allows for mix adjustments that lower environmental impact. Sensors are installed directly on the rebar before the pour, linking to data nodes that instantly begin sending wireless updates. This eliminates the need for destructive testing like cutting cement samples, and site supervisors can receive updates remotely via phone or computer. Lab calibration is simple, and setup takes only minutes. Ceramatec facade systems offer long-lasting protection and timeless design for modern architecture. These ceramic cladding panels comply with safety regulations and protect structures from the elements. Available in 6 to 8 millimeter thicknesses, Ceramatec panels resist fading, graffiti, and scratches. Their seamless appearance makes them ideal for sharp-cornered modernist buildings, producing a unified, monolithic look. A wide variety of colors is available, and for bulk orders exceeding 20,000 units, custom shades can be produced upon request. Safety is a top priority on any job site, and the Doka Edge Protection System XP is engineered to minimize fall hazards around elevated work areas. Constructed from hot-dip galvanized steel, each component is tough and corrosion-resistant for extended use. With its easy-click locking system, setup is fast and user-friendly. The standard railing height is 1.2 meters, but additional extenders can raise that to 1.8 meters if needed. Secure locking clips and adapters ensure everything stays in place. As a bonus, companies can even add branding to the barriers, combining safety and marketing in one solution. The BB line of modular structures offers a flexible housing solution ideal for everything from vacation rentals and glamping setups to temporary office installations. Take the BB20 unit as an example. It's built for 2 occupants and makes an excellent starter home. Its straightforward design allows a team of 4 people to complete assembly in just 2 days. Stepping up in size, the BB40 accommodates up to 4 people and works well as a rental cabin, family house, or compact office. It can even be transformed into a coffee shop or small eatery, fitting naturally into mountain getaways or coastal resorts. At the top end, the BB100 is made to comfortably house 6 or more individuals. Its expansive interior, tall ceilings, eco-friendly materials, and clean architectural lines create a space optimized for daily living. And if you're building in a remote location, this model can be shipped fully assembled, truck access permitting. For a reliable bond between tiles and heated flooring, the Dural DXF expansion joint profile is a smart choice. Each unit measures 2.5 meters long and features sturdy outer sections crafted from recycled polyvinyl chloride paired with a replaceable silicone core offered in 10 color options. This center strip helps minimize vibration from tile movement. The system is beginner-friendly, durable under changing temperatures, and designed to visually blend with tile seams. According to the manufacturer, the product performs best when combined with complementary finishings from the same product line. Creating concrete blocks at home is made easy with beaten molds. Start by placing the mold on a solid, level surface like a steel sheet. Apply a release agent inside the mold to keep the concrete from sticking and to ensure sharp, clean edges. Slowly pour the mixture, making sure it reaches all corners and contours. Then compact the mix thoroughly to eliminate any air pockets and ensure consistency. Level the surface with a trowel and let the concrete cure. Curing time depends on temperature and mix type and requires the most attention. Once set, simply use a special key to release the mold and remove the finished block, ready for use. A ground-assembled roofing system that is then elevated into place using a mechanical lift is changing the way buildings go up. This innovation, developed in New Zealand, allows workers to construct roofs on the ground, eliminating the need for ladders or scaffolding. The lifting height is fully adjustable to fit various building types. A roof covering 100 square meters can be raised in just a few hours, allowing same-day installation. With the roof in place, crews can focus on the interiors. Designed for everything from small homes to commercial buildings, this system minimizes height-related safety risks. The inventor, a seasoned carpenter, likely had enough of working overhead. The Sika Sarnafil waterproofing system offers a premium flat roof solution using thermoplastic polyolefin membranes. Long respected in the building industry, this material stands up to harsh weather, resists hail damage, and has an impressively long service life. Backed by a 10-year warranty, the complete product line includes vapor barriers, adhesives, tools, protective sheets, and leak detection components. All of this ensures a reliable roofing system that doesn't need to be overly thick to be effective. Lissa LBF, a blend of lightweight expanded clay pellets and cement slurry, is a smart option for forming stable, well-drained base layers in landscaping or infrastructure. With a density of roughly 700 kilograms per cubic meter, this mixture reduces settling in weak soil types such as peat and clay. It's commonly used to support roads, tunnels, railways, and bridge foundations. On-site mixing of the dry clay balls with slurry ensures quick application and little waste. However, proper storage is key. Cement slurry bags must be kept dry and elevated to avoid deterioration and loss of strength. Tensor's AX5GN asphalt reinforcement grid is designed to triple the durability of road surfaces. This mesh strengthens pavement by distributing weight evenly, controlling deformation, and delaying crack formation, especially under heavy traffic and hot conditions. Installed in one of the lower asphalt layers, it also prevents rutting and fatigue damage. For contractors, it enables thinner pavement layers, which cuts material and labor costs. Even raceways can benefit from the long-lasting strength this mesh delivers. Russian innovators introduced a lightweight, permanent formwork system in 2017, revolutionizing concrete slab construction by cutting slab weight by up to 30%. The hollow elements and connectors, made of recycled plastics, are simple to position. This reduction lowers the demand for concrete and rebar, allowing for lighter slabs, smaller columns, and fewer foundation piles. One truckload of these void formers can replace dozens of concrete mixers, significantly slashing delivery costs. This method has already proven useful in earthquake-prone areas, where lighter slabs increase resilience. The lower carbon dioxide output makes this system a greener choice for modern construction. These modern aluminum-framed windows come pre-glazed with double-layered glass that includes built-in acoustic insulation. Each pane is 6 millimeters thick, available in both vertical and horizontal formats, and customizable to fit any building plan. The frames measure 35 millimeters wide and 3.5 millimeters thick, offering a sleek and modern look. Delivered ready to install, these windows fit seamlessly into metal partitions or finished drywall, eliminating extra glazing steps. Integrated blinds are included. Whether for hospitals, offices, or apartments, these windows deliver both form and function. Tasu Formwork for Foundations offers a fast and efficient solution for various types of construction. Each 5-meter mold weighs 20 kilograms and includes internal steel reinforcements. Builders can complete a foundation in a single day using this system. It's ideal for housing, commercial, or industrial developments, even on challenging terrain. The molds are lightweight and easy to assemble, enhancing both speed and job site safety. The manufacturer now uses only low-emission materials, making this system not just practical, but also environmentally conscious.